Hey everyone, Mark from Opal Quest. Yeah, just thought I'd show you this bit of Australian Crystal Opal. Beautiful little piece, very bright, a bit hard to see with the camera. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's picking it up. Anyway, originally this is its rough shape, or natural shape. We've rubbed it, got all the sand out of it, and that's sort of the shape that it ended up. Originally I was going to make a pendant out of it, as you can see, but then I've decided it's got some nice, it'll face really nice on the ends. So what I've decided, I'm going to slice this and make a custom ring out of 9 carat gold, just something different. I might just do 3 stones out of this all in the one ring and see what happens. So anyway, we'll slice this up. I'll show you a bit of the process as we go through. I'll show you the cutting of it and some of the setting as well. So bear with me. Okay, so as you can see, there's going to be one piece, 2 pieces. We'll find the other one. So anyway, we shall work something out with all these bits. That's the off cut. Might just leave that. Might shape it. We'll turn that into a ring as well. So some beautiful crystal, this stuff. So we shall see what it looks like when I've finished. Okay, so this is it. I'm still in the workshop. Get this into focus. So that's a total of 3.55 carats of crystal opal. Some beautiful colours of green, blue, gold, pink, all sorts through this one. It's really hard to pick up on camera. The edges of it are actually pink. Anyway, sterling silver band, 9 carat gold, claw settings. And that's pretty much how we make them. Needs a bit more of a polish, and then we'll put in a nice little jewellery box, and that'll be online soon. So if you want to check it out, go to www.opalquest.com and check out some of our other stuff we've got on there. Thanks for watching.